YouTube. I think I'm gonna do door handles and the keyhole. And I'm gonna try to wrap the outside of this part and on the back side as well. And leave this gold GP as it is. And same thing as this. Probably put some vinyl here on this one. Probably this whole piece and leave the outside chrome with the Pontiac in the middle. Let's see how this turns out.
Okay, got one down. And let me put my
Passenger side, please. This is driver side. Alright. I just did door handles and keyhole. I said I was gonna do this, but I'm gonna leave that chrome because ain't nothing over here rose gold, so it'll just float the back of the car. Same thing for the front emblem. And I did passenger side. I think it looks good though. Not too bad. I really like this rose gold on this red. It's real good, man. That's it. See you on the next video. It's raining outside. So, we ain't outside today. We in the house again. See y'all next time. YouTube. Sit right here, mama. All right, so. This video is gonna be a little short. So I thought about, I'll talk about this. So, 5.3 engine I got. What is what? This came out of 2003 Tahoe. 5.3 motor. Motor had, I think, 280,000 miles. I don't know if y'all can see that, but crank rotates freely. I had this motor, maybe 2 years now, a year, some change, something like that. But it was a complete engine. Me and my pops pulled it off the truck. Came in here, put it on the stand, broke it down, took everything off that I could, except for the crank. I can't take the crank out because it's bolted to the engine stand, and all this have to come off for me to pull it out. So I ain't got no room to really fuck with that. So I was wondering, what should I do with this engine? Because honestly, let me pop my hood. What, mama? Give me a second, y'all. Okay, flash is on now. So this is 305 small block Chevy. That 2 major, carburetor, air filter, intake, headers, small cam, basic stuff. But I kid you not, this motor runs so motherfucking good that I do not want to put the time and money into getting this block right and putting this block into here. But they say if it's not broke, don't fix it. And this motherfucker ain't broke. So I don't plan on fixing it. My goals with this motor was to put it in this car, but I don't know, man. It's just, I'm unmotivated. And I know to build a motor how I want it is gonna be pretty expensive because, I mean, come on now. This is my Camaro, so this car is fast. So, of course, I'm going with a LS base block. I'm gonna want it to, well, it will never be as fast as this. So, but y'all get what I'm saying. I want to have some speed if I'm gonna go that route. Now I can build a little stock block, rebuild and put stock cam, whatever, have it a normal 5.3, but I'm like, nah, why I do that? You can get some horsepower. Excuse my little mess right here. I just threw all that shit down that was sitting on top of the block. Bro, what's up with y'all these honey buns? Eating all my honey buns. Now she gonna want the honey bun.
I've never had a honey bun.
And you just ate popcorn. Y'all eating all my stuff at work.
I just put one in
I
there.
don't care. Go ahead and eat it. Dang.
Just
Eat all my stuff up. I done lost my train of thought.
never mind, I won't eat it. That's the last one I will eat.
Yeah, whatever.
I saved that one for you.
Alright, blow the dope. Can you stop hollering? All that screaming. I done lost my train of thought, fellas. Shit. Yeah, man. So, I don't know. I have thoughts of going with 350 engine. I really want a 400 small block. It'll bolt right up to all the shit I got already. I won't have to change transmission. Even though I do have the trans for this, I pulled that off the truck as well. I believe it's a 4L60. I believe that's a trans, but I feel that if I go with this motor and rebuild this, I'm gonna have to do the trans as well, because like I said, this motor had like 280,000 miles. And it was real dirty. I guess it had an oil leak or some shit. But Mama, I'm trying to talk. You just being louder and louder. But as I was pulling parts off, everything looked good. It's just the engine just dirty as hell. So I don't know. So for the time being, I'm gonna just keep riding the old small block 305. Cause it just flows, man. It look good. Even though them new motors fast. What, mama? Yeah, even though them new motors fast, this old motor is just so reliable. And I like the old school feel. I like the differences of this car with this car. This car is new power. That's new school. So this car is old school with the old power. So it's definitely a night and day difference from these two. So I just want to give a little quick video about this engine that I was thinking about fucking with. So leave y'all thoughts, opinions, comments, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, share if you can. Thank y'all for watching. I'm out.